Tama ata mahal.
Yeah.
Hi everyone! Ako si Santino at tuturo kita mag-Tagalog.
You know me, windows tinted, so the Lord don't see. I like chocolate, so y'all know me. Candy chocolate. Skin tight table, the rainbow chest. This ain't it, but it's one in the head. Girl, don't play. I've been high for like 4 days. High for like 4 days. Catching face,
Martilyo!
You like the color? Ipakita ko Tito Ray.
Hukay?
Tagalog!
Hukay ba?
Hukay.
Is that right? I don't know. Is that right? Yeah?
No,
It's on YouTube.
no.
It's not. No, you lied to me. It's not.
Ray, what's show in Tagalog? That's your question.
I don't know. Nah, so much pressure.
You have to figure it out.
Okay, let's
Figure
do
it out and then come.
Yung ear.
Ayun na, sabi ko lang ako.
Shovel in Tagalog.
You told me I was right. We're both wrong.
What's the answer?
Pala.
Pala.
There you go. Okay, so make sure you edit the other part. And
Let's add it.
paddle boat, yo.
Hi.
What?
Ano sugat sa Tagalog?
Asukal.
Asukal!
Asukal.
Oh, yeah. Oh, give me one. I deserve one. Barbecue's done.
Santino! Isipin mo kung takot talaga. Kasi may dalawa eh. Dalawa siya eh.
Dada? Ano blue sa Tagalog?
Ano?
Blue sa Tagalog? Ticket?
Happy Father's Day.
Sa hat? Sumbrero.
Sumbrero!
Yay!
Bonus lang yung music tol, kung puputok.
Yeah.
Hindi yung tinitingnan.